Today we're going to explain the MKN FlexiCombi banquet and regeneration process. And we have a regular shelving of the combi oven, which we can remove. So now that we've removed the shelves from the MKN FlexiCombi, we will now insert the banquet trolley. After we remove the shelves, we will place in the platform for the banqueting trolley. So in this process, we will place in the banqueting trolley, so, lining it up. Then you will unlock the plate trolley, then using the provided handle and placing in the handle and hold the trolley, slide in the banqueting. So, and then lock, then move the trolley. So regeneration is for quick and efficient service. So once all the food has been cooked, plated, chilled, and then plated cold onto the plates, it's slid into basically the regenerate to the oven, and then we go into what we call perfection of MKN, and then we go plated, and then banquet plated regeneration program, where the oven I've set on to 240 degrees to preheat the cavity of the oven and to dry out of any moisture. And then we'll go into a chef's help program, which basically is an instruction to tell you to load the oven. And then the regeneration perfection mode, which is 110 degrees for 12 minutes. So the beauty of MKN's banquet perfection system is the fact that you can pre-plate all of the food with a lot less labor, and then regenerate it at the time of service. And the other part of it is that basically it cuts down on a lot of labor for service time. And the other part of it is with MKN, multiple size plates, up to 32 centimeter plates, serving plates. And then the ovens will go from this 10 tray to up to the 20 tray, which this 10 tray, this is 40 plates. The 20 tray is 80 plates. So now I will just demonstrate the removal of the banqueting system, plated system. Lock in place, handle. There we have it.